What's going on, guys? Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. We have some very big news to go over today for our monthly iTrustCapital video, so let's dive straight in. First up, we have BlackRock's IBIT, or their Bitcoin ETF, and yesterday, in a single day, they pulled in nearly $1 billion, with 970.9 million in inflows, marking its second largest net inflow since launching in January of 24. And we can see that Bitcoin rose over 7% over the past 7 days. So we've definitely been seeing some short-term bullishness for stocks and crypto, and maybe gold will cool off a bit. And from Eric Balchunas, the senior Bloomberg ETF analyst, the same guy that predicts us seeing HBAR, XRP, Litecoin, Solana spot ETFs, he says this: ETFs are in 2 steps forward mode after taking 1 step back, exactly the pattern we predicted. And here on the block, we can see the spot Bitcoin ETF AUM since inception, so we can see all, and we are getting back up to previous highs. We're not too far away. We also have Charles Schwab, which has right here a crypto thematic ETF, so basically a crypto ecosystem ETF, allowing clients to get indirect exposure to blockchain, mining, crypto infrastructure companies. And that alone is an obvious sign that Charles Schwab sees crypto as a core investment theme. And across the financial world, we have crypto being built directly into retirement accounts. And there's approximately $13 trillion in IRA assets in the United States alone, so not global, so $13 trillion in United States individual retirement accounts. And these numbers were based off of these figures from mid-2023 in this IRA report. We know that Fidelity allows individuals to invest directly into crypto inside of IRAs as well. This is great because this is one of the first major financial giants to actually integrate crypto. However, they don't really have many options. You can currently trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Whereas on iTrustCapital, you have 70 plus different digital assets, including gold and silver. And when we look at the fees, we have Fidelity Digital Assets does charge a 1% spread. And that's the same as iTrustCapital with a 1% spread. And we already know that Fidelity Digital Assets as well as Coinbase Prime are 2 of the primary custody providers for iTrust. And obviously when it comes to the best retirement platform in the United States for the crypto asset class, iTrustCapital takes the cake. No startup fees or exit fees, we have 70 plus different assets available, plenty of reviews, and leverages a qualified custodian. So as far as crypto companies go in this crazy space, I'm very happy with iTrustCapital having a Roth IRA for the past 5+ years, and I was with Bit IRA before that. And they're expanding even further with the launch of iTrust Custodial Services, with the recent announcement of third-party administrator accounts. So with this news, we have financial institutions like IRA providers, trust companies, banks, and advisors can now partner directly with iTrust in order to offer crypto IRAs. So by partnering directly with iTrust to offer crypto retirement accounts and custodial accounts, these organizations don't need to build their own wallets, custody systems, or even trading platforms. So it's turnkey onboarding and institutions can be live in weeks and not years. And again, with a qualified custodian structure being secure, compliant, and trusted, this is a very big deal. And the trend is your friend here, and we have a few data points below pointing out crypto adoption. United States crypto ownership surged to 40% in 2024. In a NASDAQ survey, we have nearly 60% of millennials as well as Gen Z prefer crypto over other ETF investment themes. And 47% of traditional hedge funds now hold digital assets. A 62% year-over-year increase in 2024. And everybody has a different time horizon, we're all different ages, but I am nowhere near retirement age and I'm keeping crypto exposure over the long term. And we have here by iTrust real stories of people losing crypto. Now everybody knows that crypto has the potential in a bull run to completely change your life, but if you do not secure your assets or even diversify your holdings, it can also ruin it. We have a few true stories below, so we have one gentleman who threw away a hard drive with 7,500 Bitcoin on it. Now I know this was years ago, but that's basically equivalent to over $700 million today. We also had the famous Stephen Thomas story, and this one makes me sick to my stomach. So basically, he forgot his password, and he lost access to over $200 million in Bitcoin. I forget his last commentary if he has like 1 or 2 more attempts for a password, but yeah, that's scary. And we've seen other things in this space like the FTX collapse, where customer funds were misused and millions of dollars were locked away overnight. All of this comes out, and the media goes around bashing crypto, saying this is crypto's fault, not bad actors. And there are plenty of stories of different DeFi or decentralized finance wallet hacks, and all it takes is one wrong token approval and the entire wallet is drained. So the lesson here involves self-custody mistakes, not diversifying your holdings, not making multiple backups of your password and securing them, or keeping track of a hard drive back in the day, exchanges completely failing, and bad infrastructure has costed people billions of dollars. And to solve this, iTrustCapital offers premium custody accounts for non-IRA crypto holdings. Assets are held one-to-one off-balance sheet and for benefit of clients, so there's no fund mixing. So these PCAs are protected by a closed-loop custody system and there are no self-custody risks. And this is designed to hold crypto safely over the long term. I also saw a few more assets listed on iTrustCapital this month. So first up we have Jito, the ticker is JTO, basically liquid staking right on Solana. We also had Axelar, the ticker is AXL, this is a very well-known asset. Just think blockchain interoperability along with cross-chain communication. And they have about 60 plus different networks with more on the way. And we also got Celestia, the ticker is TIA. Another popular and very scalable modular blockchain with a bunch of customization. So to really sum up today's video and rant a bit, crypto retirement investing isn't coming or it's not on the way, it's already here. We have Fidelity, Schwab, BlackRock, many large organizations already jumping in. We have companies like iTrust that have been building the infrastructure and were here years ago and they were last valued at $1.3 billion. Now with their new custodial platform, we have the new premium custody accounts, we have new tokens listed every single month. They're making crypto retirement investing easier, safer, and smarter. And for anybody interested to start a retirement nest egg in the crypto asset class, I have iTrustCapital linked down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching today's video. As I was recording this, my power went out twice, so I had to re-record this twice. I had to just finally set up the generator so I don't have to worry about these power blips. And if you guys saw my tweet yesterday, my office flooded, so I was on the roof today putting a plastic tarp up, and I have to repair a bedroom because of cracks in the wall. Everything's just falling apart since storm damage, so it is so fun being a homeowner. If you guys have any funny stories or crazy things that have happened to you as a homeowner, please let me know down below. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button and let me know your thoughts down below. You can find all links to my crypto resources, including tools for charting, trading bots, wallets, portfolio trackers, and exclusive discounts right in my link tree in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.